Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of our animal tissue topic. In previous video already we have studied about that the connective tissue. So as you know, student, what is meant by connective tissue? Connective tissue is one kind of the tissue which connect the group of the organ, means the tissue connect one group of the tissue to another in our body, means the tissue which help to connect the different parts of the body. Understood? There are three main types of the connective tissue: connective tissue proper, skeletal tissue, and fluid connective tissue. In the previous class already we have studied about that the connective tissue proper, means there are also three types: adipose, areolar, and tendons and ligament. Already we have seen in details in my previous video. In this video we are going to study about that the skeletal tissue and fluid connective tissue. One by one we will see in details. First upon skeletal tissue, means see student, our body is made from a cell. You know that group of the cell is called as the tissue, means our skeletal is also skeletal, means our bone is also made from the tissue, means it also made from the cell. Okay, the skeletal tissue, it also have a two types: cartilage and bone. Got it? And fluid connective tissue, it is also connective tissue. It connects the one organ to another organ, blood and lymph. In this video we are going to detail study about that these four types of the tissue. Let us move towards the skeletal tissue. See student, this is the overview of the connective tissue. See, already we have seen the areolar tissue, adipose tissue. In this video we are going to study about that the bones. Bones tissue is also made from the bone cell. See, this is the bone cell. This is the bone cell, and these bone cells are embedded in the matrix. See, means this is the bone cell, and these bone cells are fixed into the matrix. Matrix means what, student? It is the fluid, it is the liquid, it is the solid. Matrix means the basement. Means see student, I will give the one example. We are build our house. How does we build? We are using the cement material to join the bricks. Got it? Means see, this is the bricks, and these bricks are joined in the cement material. Means cement is the matrix. Cement is the matrix. Same like that, the bone cell, the means all connective tissue are fixed into the matrix. These fluid, this the solid matrix, may be solid, may be liquid. ओके, मैट्रिक्स समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको? मैट्रिक्स क्या है? एक ग्राउंड सब्सटेंस है, ग्राउंड सब्सटेंस है, उसमें कनेक्टिव टिश्यू फिक्स होते हैं. द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इम्बेडेड इन द मैट्रिक्स. समझ में आ गया आपको? मैट्रिक्स सॉलिड भी हो सकता है, लिक्विड भी हो सकता है. मैट्रिक्स मीन्स जैसे हमारा सीमेंट मटेरियल. सीमेंट में हम क्या करते हैं? ब्रिक्स को फिक्स करते हैं. मीन्स द मैट्रिक्स इज फिक्स द cells and give the hardness. Got it? In the about the bones, the matrix is very hard, so our bone is very hard. Understood? Matrix समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको? What is the matrix? Matrix is the basement. It is the ground substance of the cell. Let us see the first type of the skeletal tissue. Means I told you the skeletal tissue is have a two types: cartilage and another is the bone. Let us see first cartilage. Cartilage means the cartilage is the skeletal tissue. Got it? Cartilage is also special type of the connective tissue. First upon we see the characteristics of the cartilage. Widely spaced about the cell, means see, the cartilage cells, in between the cells have a space. In between the cell of the cartilage have a space. Got it? so the cartilage is a flexible. Why? Because in between the cell of cartilage have a space, and the space is filled with the fluid, so the cartilage is the flexible. This matrix is made from protein and sugar. मीन जो भी कार्टिलेज के सेल्स है, their ground substance is the matrix, and this matrix is made from the protein or sugar. The matrix is slightly elastic. This elastic matrix is provide the cartilage is a flexible elasticity. Means see, देखो बेटा, cartilage is present in our air pinna, tips of the nose, trachea, larynx. Means see, put your finger on your ear pinna and fold it. You can fold. Why? Because it have a no hard bone. If there is a hard bone, we cannot fold our ear pinna. We cannot fold our nose. Means we cannot move our moment of the nose, tips of the nose. Why? We can movement our tips of the nose. We can fold our ear pinna because there is present a cartilage. सी बेटा, कार्टिलेज क्या होता है? इट इज़ अ सॉफ्ट बोन. ये सॉफ्ट क्यों होता है? बिकॉज देयर सेल, इन बिटवीन द सेल, उनके सेल के बीच में स्पेस होता है. उस स्पेस में फ्लूइड फील्ड होता है, जिसकी वजह से कार्टिलेज को इलास्टिसिटी मिलती है. मीन्स देखो, आप अपने ईयर्स को टच योर ईयर एंड फोल्ड योर ईयर. यू कैन फोल्ड इट. अपने ईयर पिना को हाथ लगाओ बेटा और फोल्ड करो. फोल्ड हो सकता है. क्यों फोल्ड हो सकता है? अगर ये हार्ड स्केलेटल मसल से, स्केलेटल टिश्यू से बनता तो यू कैन फोल्ड इट. नो, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. बट इट मेड फ्रॉम द कार्टिलेज, सो वी कैन फोल्ड इट. अंडरस्टूड what is the cartilage and where it is present? It is present in the tips of the nose, so we can move our tips of the nose, movement of the tips of our nose, ear pinna. We can fold of the ear pinna, trachea and larynx. It is the part of our respiratory system. The trachea means, see, this is our trachea and it is made from the cartilaginous ring. Due to this ring, it is can straight. It is means it is not bent. Understood? And the smooth none, it is also present in the smooth bone surface. Means see, if the two bones are joined together, if there is no space, otherwise देखो, जहाँ पे joints होते हैं, in the joints there is the cartilage present. It is the smooth bones. Whenever we are bending our joints, that times they are frictions are in between the टू बोन्स. अगर यहाँ पे कार्टिलेज नहीं होता, द टू बोन्स आर ब्रेक्स बिकॉज वेन वी आर मोमेंटिंग. जब हम मोमेंट करते हैं बेटा, अगर वहाँ पे सॉफ्ट कार्टिलेज नहीं होता तो हमारे बोन एक दूसरे को टकरा के टूट भी सकते थे. सो द कार्टिलेज इज अ स्मूथ बोन एंड दिस स्मूथ बोन इज कवर्ड नियर टू द जॉइनिंग ऑफ द टू बोन. समझ में आ गए आपको? एंड व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ कार्टिलेज? इट प्रोवाइड द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी to our body part, and is skeletal tissue है, so obviously it provide the support. Understood? What is the cartilage? Cartilage is the soft bone like tissue. It is also provide the flexibility, and the ground substance of the cartilage is a matrix which is made from protein and sugar. This matrix it slightly provide the elasticity of these parts of the body. and कहाँ पे present होते बेटा? ये tips of the nose and ear pinna, trachea and larynx, and in between the two bones the cartilage layer is present and it prevent the friction of the two bone. Understood? Cartilage. Next skeletal tissue is the bone. You know that bone is very important because the bone is give us the framework of our body. हमारे body अगर bone नहीं होते तो imagine करो, our body is a muscular ball. We cannot stand, we cannot sit, we cannot walk. Due to the bone, our body get a framework. Got it? Bone is also very hard connective tissue. The bone is very strong. The bone is a non-flexible. जैसे देखो, कार्टिलेज को आप बेंड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट इज़ अ फ्लेक्सिबल, बट वी कैनॉट बेंड आवर बोन. जॉइंट्स में हम मोमेंट कर सकते हैं, बट इन द लॉन्ग बोन वी कैनॉट bend in between in the long bone. Got it? Because it is very strong, non-flexible. The bone is very hard and rigid material. देखो हमारे पैरों के जो बोन्स होते हैं, इट मीन्स वी होल्ड आवर होल वेट. गॉट इट? बिकॉज इमेजिन द बोन इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. Bone cell is also embedded the hard matrix. I told you what is the matrix. In the cartilage, matrix is very elastic. In between the in cell have a space. It filled up liquid, so it get the elasticity. But the bone is very strong. It bone cell are embedded in the hard matrix, and this matrix is composed the calcium phosphorus compound. The bone matrix is very hard, so our bone is also very strong, very hard, very rigid. Understood? And these bones is very important for us because why? It provide the framework of our body, it support our body, it provide the shape of the body, and the main important role of the bone to protect the internal organ. Means how does our body structure? The outermost layer is the skin. Beneath the skin have a muscle. Beneath the muscle have a bones. Okay, and in the bones it protect the internal organ like our alimentary canal, our lungs, heart. Brain is also covered by the cranium. Cranium is also hard connective bone tissue. Got it? Bone समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको? What is the bone? Bone is the hard connective tissue which form our skeleton, vertebrae. It is made of the matrix and cell. Matrix क्या होता है? एक बेसमेंट ग्राउंड सब्सटेंस होता है. और बोन का मैट्रिक्स किससे बना है बेटा? कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फेट से. इसीलिए मम्मी हमें कहती है कि दूध पियो, बिकॉज इन द मिल्क हैव अ large amount of calcium and phosphate, and due to the calcium and phosphate our bone become very strong. If our bone is strong, we are very strong person. Okay, the matrix is present in the form of concentric layer. You know concentric layer, like that layer, and this bone cell is embedded in the concentric layer of the matrix. So our bone cell is very hard and rigid. In between means, see, our forelimb, hand limb have a long bones like our femur, tibia. Okay, and in hollow space, in the hollow space there have a bone marrow, and the main function of bone marrow to produce the RBC, white blood cells. Okay, understood what is the main function of bone? Next connective tissue is the fluid connective tissue. There are also two types of the fluid connective tissue. One is the bone and another is the lymph. Got it? This is the fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue means, see, in the skeletal tissue we have seen the cell of the bone cell, cartilage cell, it is embedded in the matrix. Means the ground substance of the bone cell and cartilage is the matrix. Same like that, this is the solid. The matrix was a solid in the bone cell. Okay, but in the blood, in the lymph, the matrix is the liquid, is the fluid, is called as the plasma. Plasma is the liquid part which is present in the blood, and these bloods are, means due to the plasma, the blood is motion which connect the two different organ. Got it? Means it is not connect to each other, but it is also send the message like that oxygen, nutrient are transfer from one part of the body to the another part. समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको? Blood is also, means the blood is also made from the different cell, RBC, WBC and platelets, and the basement membrane of the blood is the plasma. It is the ground substance. Fluid connect, blood क्या है? एक fluid connective tissue. It is composed of the blood cell, and the blood cell move in the fluid matrix is the blood plasma. Means, see, the ground substance, the matrix of the blood is a plasma. Plasma क्या है? Plasma liquid है. It contains the many chemicals like a protein, calcium, some enzymes which is present in the plasma, and in the plasma contain the cells like RBC, WBC and platelets. Understood? And these cells is very important function perform. First we see RBC. RBC जो सेल होते हैं बेटा, it is the biconvex size cell, biconcave size convex size cell, sorry, biconcave shape cell. It contain the red color. Why it get the red color? Because it contain the hemoglobin. And what is the main function of hemoglobin? To react with the oxygen and carbon dioxide and form the oxohemoglobin and carbanohemoglobin. And in that way they are transport the oxygen टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. मीन्स आरबीसी सेल क्या होते हैं बेटा, उसमें हीमोग्लोबिन प्रेजेंट होता है और वो हीमोग्लोबिन क्या करता है, ऑक्सीजन को हमारे बॉडी के हर एक पार्ट को सप्लाई करता है. मीन्स आवर ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, ईच एंड एवरी सेल नीड द ऑक्सीजन एंड न्यूट्रिएंट. गॉट इट? व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ आरबीसी? WBC, white blood cell. It is the fighter cell. They are fight against the diseases causing bacteria which is enter in our body. And platelets, it is the it means the platelets is main function to clotting of the blood. Whenever some injury, the blood is come out in our body. If there is no platelets, the blood is continue bleeding. The platelets are clot the blood and prevent the blood and prevent the bleeding. Understood? These three cells are present in the plasma. This together is called as the blood. समझ में आ गया? ब्लड क्या है? ब्लड में WBC, RBC और प्लेटलेट सेल्स है. एंड these cells are present in the plasma is the matrix. Plasma is contain the protein, salt and hormone. Understood? And what is the main function of blood? Blood is transport the gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen. Means oxygen are transport to each and every parts of the body, as well as pick up the carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide is the waste material. Digestive food जो भी nutrient होता है, which is also transported by the blood. Hormones, the many hormones are directly secreted in the blood and reach to the target organ. Waste material, there are many metabolic reactions are occur in our body and these and produce so many waste product. These waste product is very important to eliminate. वो waste product को हमारे body के बाहर फेंकना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. And the blood is pick up the waste material and eliminate our body through our excretory system. समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको blood? Blood is also fluid connective tissue. In the last point of the fluid connective tissue is a lymph. You have no need to detail study about the lymph. Lymph is the colorless, otherwise yellow color fluid. Lymph क्या है? एक colorless fluid है. It is also blood plasma. It is also blood plasma without RBC and blood protein. Means lymph क्या है बेटा? Lymph is blood है. It is the colorless plasma है. इसमें RBC और प्रोटीन एब्सेंट होते हैं और WBC is present. And the main function of lymph is protecting the body against the infection. It is the middleman between the tissue and blood. In the higher classes you have to study about that, means you have to detail study about that the lymph. In this level you have to keep in your mind lymph क्या है. Lymph is colorless fluid है, उसमें blood cell absent होते हैं. Large protein molecule is also absent. Lymph flow to the lymph vessel in between the tissue, and lymph it bring the CO2 and waste from the tissue to the blood, and nutrient, oxygen, hormone from blood to the tissue is a transporting. Understood student? What is the fluid connective tissue? Our connective tissue topic is over in this video. From the next video I will going to teach you the next tissue, muscular tissue. Thank you student.